kitchen is a really important part of the house for me. I like spending a lot of time in here. I love cooking, I love baking, and I need somewhere to store my sweet jars. No, sorry, I shouldn't say. Hi, I'm Rosie Lovelock, best known as Home Sweet Home 46 on Instagram. I live in Wiltshire with my husband Matthew. When I first started Instagram, I never thought it was going to take off like this. My first post was flooring, and then I started doing more posts, I started getting more followers, and then I bought my sweet jars and it just went woo, straight up. So I thought, okay, I'm going to start making this like a home interior account. And the biggest task we had was this kitchen, because as it was an ex-rental property, the house hadn't been looked after at all. It'd been rented out for 10 years, and the kitchen, there was cupboards that were glued on, there was a lot of water damage. I was searching online for inspiration when I came across Wren kitchens, and some of the kitchens are so beautiful. I was like, Matt, I want that one. So we went into our local store in Swindon, and I just fell in love with this kitchen. I couldn't decide on what colour I wanted. It was either gloss white or pebble grey. And I thought, why just have both of them? So I decided to go for pebble grey base units and the gloss white on the walls, as I think when you have white cupboards on the wall, it just creates a bigger space. It looks visually bigger. Most of my house is whites and greys with a dash of sparkle here and there. And it's really important to have a nice space, especially with Instagram, to take pictures in, to give inspiration to all my followers. As we're fitting the kitchen ourselves, we wanted to take advantage of Wren's free survey, and this lovely chap came over. I did all the measuring for us, and it was really quick. He was using one of these new laser measurers, and it was amazing. The service was brilliant, and that allowed us to go forward and actually order the kitchen really quickly. We have never built a kitchen before, so it is very daunting, but it was actually really easy. They just went together so well. I think half of these base units I've put together myself. My favourite part of the kitchen would have to be the worktops. I absolutely love how sparkly they are, and when the lights are on, they just all glitter in. It adds that extra touch of glam to my kitchen. As you might have noticed, I have a lot of sweet jars in my house, crazy amount. That's why I'm always on a diet. I first started collecting sweet jars about 3 years ago. I just thought they looked so pretty. You can put them in the kitchen, you can put them in the dining room. It's a really nice focal point, and it can also add a splash of colour to your kitchen, as well as being edible and just lush.